how eating food like an apple can give you energy to do this. Well, stay listening and you'll find out the answer. Hello everyone. Today's lecture will be on cellular respiration with a focus on glycolysis. Cellular respiration is the breaking of sugars into energy. There are three main steps to cellular respiration. The first one being glycolysis. This occurs in the cytoplasm. The second step is the Krebs cycle, and this happens in the mitochondria. The third step and the final step is the electron transport chain, and that happens in the cristae of the mitochondria. Glycolysis is responsible for the breaking down of glucose and turning it into ATP. Glucose is a 6-carbon sugar, and this is what it looks like. It consists of 6 carbon atoms and the bonding of oxygen and hydrogen. The first step of glycolysis is adding 2 phosphates to the glucose molecule. This uses up 2 ATP molecules. As a result of the first step, we have a 6-carbon sugar diphosphate, which can also be called a fructose 6-phosphate, and also 2 ADP molecules. So let's look back. We first start off with a 6-carbon sugar. 2 ATP molecules are added in, and as a result, we end up with 2 low-energy ADP molecules and a 6-carbon sugar diphosphate. The next step of glycolysis begins with the 6-carbon sugar diphosphate. The next thing that it does is split off into 2 3-carbon sugar phosphates, one being the glycylceraldehyde 3-phosphate and the other being the dihydroxyacetone phosphate. In this next step of glycolysis, we have 2 3-carbon sugar phosphates. They then simplify down into carbon pyruvates. This happens when NAD+ gets transferred in and ends up becoming NADH, and ATP comes in and then turns into ATP. This is the final process of glycolysis, and this is how food breaks down into energy. Under aerobic conditions, the pyruvate is further oxidized to yield more ATP, and under anaerobic conditions, the pyruvate is converted into lactic acid. Thank you for listening, everyone. See you next time.